Hi friends, in today's class, I'm going to show an example of how to bind data with Angular, with CSS and without CSS. So first, let me show an example of Angular without CSS. So I'm creating a new app called app without CSS. Okay. So my app is created. So let me change out to the app now. So my app name is app without CSS. Okay. Now you can see app without CSS come here. First go to the HTML page. Okay. I'm going to bind with some data. Okay. Let's put like this. Data binding without CSS. Now I'll add a div tag. Okay. Under div tag, I'll bind different elements. For example, maybe let's use name. Let's have maybe let's try for a stock market app. Okay. So you can put like this name, price, some code. Example of a stock trading. Okay. I just save it now. Now, what you do is just go to the app.component.ts. Okay. I'm going to load the file. So I'm going to use the init method. So it's on init. Okay. Now you have to implement the init method here. So I just put inits on init. Okay. Now we have, I think, we had a name, price, code, correct? So let's declare the variables. You can declare as name and type. So I'll make it string. Okay. You might get an error, just make it undefined. Okay. That's it. It'll be passed now. Then I'll give price as a string. Then I'll pass the error. Okay. Now I think we had a code, correct? I'll again pass the error. Now I'll get a constructor. Okay. So I'm going to load ng on unit. So now let's declare the value. So for the current object, it is this dot be equal to, I'll give like Sundar, or we'll just give gold price. Then this dot price, maybe some $100. Or you can give $1,000, whatever you want. And this dot code of gold, like something like I can give MCX gold. Okay. Now just save it. To run this program, you have to put ng serve -open. Got it? We got outputs now. Data binding without space. So let's, that's a mistake maybe in one. Let's check it. What's the mistake? Maybe in HTML. We just missed a bracket here. Okay. Now save it. Now let's run again. So we got the outputs perfectly. So we are trying to bind the data. Okay. So, but we didn't use any CSS here. So we got outputs like gold, $1,000 US dollars, MCX gold. Okay. But once you use CSS cascading style sheets, the appearance can be better. So what I'll do is let's create one more app. I'll put app ng new app with CSS. So we have installed the app. So let's open the app. CD app with CSS. Okay. Now, as usual, go to your HTML page. Do the bindings. Okay. Let's put the H1 tag. Data binding with CSS. So let's use the same example. Okay. So let's bind as usual. We had the name, the previous example. So let's use the same example. So we'll have price code. Okay. Now let's go to the TS page. As usual, add the init one. Just use the implements option. Okay. Let's declare name as string. Then price as string. Then code as string. Now let's go for the constructor. And let's initialize the thing. So I'll give this dot name equal to silver. This dot price equal to some 50 or 500 US dollars. Then I'll give this dot code equal to MCX silver. Now let's run the code now. So we have an error. Let's see what's the error. We just save it again. We didn't save it. It's perfectly running now. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is the same example. Now I'm going to apply cascading style sheets. what I'll do is, let's create a class here. Some share. I'll make it as some. Then let me declare separate classes for one by one under that. So I'll use a div tag here. I'll give a class for the name. Similarly, let's create class for price and code. Let's save this. Okay. Now go to the app.component.css. It will be empty. Now you have to apply style sheets here. So class, since I use a class, I'll put the word dot here. Shares. What do you want? Suppose you want a color. Some red. Then if you want to have a border, apply border. Some 1 pixels. Solid. Whatever you want, you can have it. So color you can add. I'll put a black color here. Now let's first save this and see the output, then we'll see what happens. Got it? Now let's add colors for each. For example, I put dot name here. It will be like for H1. Then I'll put dot price H1. Maybe I can put something like, I can add a color there. Some yellow colors. I can even put, if you want, I can have a display. You want, let's put inline block. Now let's run and see. It's perfect. See now. Can you see? You got a binding. So this way you can apply style sheets also to the Angular modules. Hope the session will be very useful for you.